Today, we're diving into the revolutionary world of smartphones with the introduction of the Nothing Phone 2A. This device isn't just your average smartphone, it's a powerfully unique marvel that redefines what a smartphone can do. Join us as we explore its features and capabilities in depth. From the inside out, the Nothing Phone 2A is engineered to go further while using less. With a keen focus on speed and efficiency, this device hosts the powerhouse MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chipset, complemented by our largest battery to date. Need to juggle multiple tasks without worrying about battery life? The Phone 2A lets you multitask to the max for up to 2 days straight, and when you do need a quick power-up, fear not. Our fast charging technology can replenish a day's power in less than 20 minutes. Capturing life's moments has never been more effortless. Equipped with a dual 50MP rear camera and a flawless 32MP front sensor, the Phone 2A ensures every detail is preserved with advanced algorithms through our powerful TrueLens engine. Say goodbye to blurry shots and hello to crisp, true-to-life imagery. Lighting conditions won't hold you back either. With Ultra XDR technology, the Phone 2A adapts to any lighting scenario, ensuring a perfect display of highlights and shadows. And for those moments when your subjects just won't sit still, our motion capture feature has got you covered, allowing you to capture every moment in stunning 4K resolution with built-in stabilization. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The Nothing OS delivers a fast and smooth user experience unlike any other. Say hello to personalization with bold colors, icons, and widgets that make sense to you. With the Nothing Widget Library, you can do more from the surface with just a quick glance or tap. And let's talk about the display. The Phone 2A features a flexible AMOLED display that's better and more beautiful than ever, boasting a 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-fast and smooth screen interactions. But what truly sets it apart is the glyph interface, where key information is delivered via customizable light patterns and sounds. Stay informed and connected with the Nothing Phone 2A's innovative glyph interface. Receive essential notifications through customizable light patterns and sounds, ensuring that you never miss a beat. Whether it's tracking your food delivery or capturing the perfect shot, the glyph interface keeps you in the loop at all times. Finally, let's not forget about sustainability. The Phone 2A achieves our lowest ever carbon footprint in a smartphone, making it a true force of nature in more ways than one. And there you have it, folks, the Nothing Phone 2A. Powerfully unique, eco-friendly, and packed with innovative features that set it apart from the rest. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of smartphone technology. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.